What's up? My name is Petty Moves. In this video I will explain you the basics of the C-walk. So we start with the V-step. Open, closed, open, closed, open, closed. Easy. Don't worry. Weight on our heels. We lift our toes and bring them to the outside. Boom. From the back it will look like this. So we bring the weight on our heels and twist our toes to the outside. From here we go back, boom. We can also make it a little bit tighter and smaller. Feel free and try yourself out. From the closed V step, we go to the side. 1 and 2 and 2 times. 1 and 2 and. Now to the left side. 1 and 2 and. Again. Don't worry, this is actually the same thing. We will bring the weight on our right heel, twist our left foot to the outside, but this time we will twist our left heel to the inside with the weight on our toes, like this. Boom. Slow motion. Slow motion. You have seen, you understand? We twist the V-step to the outside. We bring them back together to the starting position and now to the other side. We have to mirror the movements just to the other side. Watch close. I can start here. Boom, 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 boom. And now, right, center, left, center, right. Right now, we will follow with the T-step. From the V-step, we don't open just to the side. While we do this with the right foot, we make a T-step. A T-step. This is just with the left foot, a step behind your right foot. I will explain it to you at first. This again, this move. To the side. Watch close. And the T-step is this. Closed T-step. Closed T-step. Closed T-step. Closed T-step. Closed T-step. Closed T-step. So we can do this to the right side and also to the left side. Right side, left side. Center, left side again. You can just play with it. From here we can now add some hops. For this we will do the C-hop. Simple. Step to the front, come back. Step to the front, come back. Step, 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 step. Right foot on heel, foot follows, stomp together. Left foot on heels, right foot follows, stomp together. From the back, heel, stomp together. 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 I think you got it. The next thing will be the Gangster two-step. Gangster two-step is open, closed, open. Okay? It looks like this. Boom, boom, boom. Like boom, boom, boom. I don't know if boom, you understand the boom, but I hope you're seeing it and understanding it by my body language. So you open, right foot on here, left foot, diagonal position. We bring them together. Right now, left foot on toes, right foot flat on the ground. And then we open it again. Left foot on flat on ground, right foot on heel again. Like big, small, big, middle size. You name it. Left side, right side, left side, right side, left side, and now from the back. Mid step to switch the sides. When I say do like a flat step, don't do this. Be always a little bit on your toes to be like to don't lose, so you don't lose your agility. Okay? Pop, pop, pop. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Gangster two-step. Make it cool. Make it look easy. Okay? So I hope this was understandable and I hope you learned something from it. Like this channel, follow me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace, love, harmony, and don't do this everywhere. Just be careful with your moves.